Guys, listen. I'm just 9 years old and my dream is to become a YouTuber, and also my dream is to become 1 million subscribers. And I really like Dandy's World right now, so I still get more haters, and this is my haters right now. Look. See it? That's my haters. They hate me because in the past I hate Dandy's World. So now I like Dandy's World. Someone to teach me how to play Dandy's World right now, and whoever uses this sound will get a free subscriber. So please use this sound right now.